iPhone 10 launch. It's happening worldwide, everywhere. And we have all these lucky customers who are waiting for their iPhone 10. And we're going to do a count up, not down. Very obvious reason. We still have a couple of minutes. So, just a few minutes. And 5. आप लोगों ने कुछ पूछना है तब तक काउंटडाउन के लिए और 3 मिनट है। आशा जी आज नहीं है, वो दुबई में है, कॉन्सर्ट है उनका, इसलिए उनका ये बड़ा बेटा मेरा भाई जगू आज है। और हम आशा जी हैड इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू हर हार्ट द गर्ल चाइल्ड, so we are giving some proceeds from the profits of iAzure to Nani Kali. It will look after, because it's iPhone 10, it will look after 10 girls. It's just the beginning of iAzure and Nani Kali. And Jagu is going to give this to Nani Kali. NGO Nani Kali.
Excuse me, ma'am. उधर जाइए. Excuse me. नन्ही का Yeah. I have looked. Thank you. All the best. All the best.
Mobile picture.
1,
2,
Man.
everybody. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we have one more contribution to this little boy, Adnan. One more contribution, Adnan. It was in Saregama Z. Adnan was in Saregama Z, a brilliant singer, and Asha ji and Zanai Bhosle liked his singing so much. He didn't win that competition, but Asha ji said, "मैं आपको prize दूंगी, so this is the prize."
एक गाना कौन सा वाला? एक गाना खाली मुखड़ा एक छोटा सा।
न वो चेहरा नूरानी कहीं, न वो चेहरा नूरानी कहीं, कहीं दिल वाली बातें भी ना, न वो सजरी जवानी कहीं, जग घूमया थारे जैसा न कोई, जग घूमया थारे जैसा न कोई, जग घूमया थारे जैसा न कोई, जग घूमया थारे जैसा न कोई। अदनान तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, और आज iPhone 10 जैसा कोई नहीं। And we have our first client, Mr. Abhay Chopra. He is the director of the movie Ittefaq, which is released today. What an Ittefaq! What a coincidence!
बड़ो अच्छा लग रहा है। बात सुन, पहले तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं जो है, मैं आया मेरी बहन के लिए, अनुजा के लिए। बाकी क्या कैसा लॉन्च कर रही, इससे अच्छा कोई लॉन्च करने वाला मैंने नहीं देखा है। ये वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट स्टाइल है उसका, एक अच्छी तरह से। हाँ बड़ो, हाँ बाबा, हाँ ये कुछ बातें हो रही है ना बड़े, अपना अपना गेम करना, चलना अभी, समझा? Guys, you understand? It's basically from Anu, and the way she launches, she is stylized. She has a lot of flair, and this is the lady who does the PR. I think both are superb. I think they're gonna rock it. It's one of the best stores that I've come to, and iAzure is my sister, and I hope and Zanai, all the best to all of them. I love.
आपको कैसे लग रहा है आप बताइए and tell us a little about iPhone 10.
iPhone 10, we're all looking forward to this latest technology. It's got an end-to-end screen. It's got face recognition. So you're not going to use your thumb. It's got animojis, augmented reality. It's amazing. It's the invention of this. I don't know how many decades.
भाई आप आईफोन में क्या करना पसंद करते हैं सबसे ज्यादा?
बड़ू मैं
गाने।
मैं कोई भी फ़ोन मेरे हाथ में हो तो मैं गाना ही सुनता हूँ। मेरे को स्पीकर अच्छा लगता है, बस बाकी कुछ नहीं।
And it has very good speakers, great cameras. I mean, you just, it's endless. All the features are endless.
जेके दादा, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आपका स्टाइल भी यूनिक है और आईफोन का भी स्टाइल यूनिक है और गाना भी सुनना पसंद करते हैं, तो कौन सा गाना आपके सबसे दिल के करीब हो और कौन सा गाना आप चाहते हैं, जैसे कि रिक्रिएशन हो रहा है अभी ज़माने में हर गानों का, 90s के गानों का, और आप कौन सा चाहते हैं कि फिर से उस गाने को याद किया जाए?
मतलब ऐसे हज़ारों करोड़ों लाखों गाने हैं बड़ू, मैं क्या याद करूँ। मम्मी का ही गाना है हमारे, जो आँखों से जो उतरी है दिल में, आशा जी जो गाती हैं। वैसे मतलब इतना प्यारा गाना वो है कि वो, हाँ मैंने कहा कि तू सुना, मम्मी मदर इन लॉ तेरी, तू सुना, मेरी आई है वो, सुना। अभी शी गोना मेक यू हियर इट, मारेगी मम्मी। ओके चलिए ना, चलिए। हाँ बड़ू, मैं मेरे पास एक फ़ोन है अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, मगर हर महीने अगर हर साल तुम लोग और हर 6 महीने में नया निकालेंगे तो क्या भावा कराइए क्या? नहीं मैं आएगा, हाँ ज़रूर खरीदूंगा, अगर जब टाइम आएगा खरीदूंगा बड़ू। अभी जो पुराना चल रहा है घसीट रहा हूँ। अच्छा वो नहीं देखा नहीं, अभी तो पूछा भी नहीं, तुम लोगों ने सांस लेने का मौका ही नहीं दिया, अभी जाके देखता हूँ। जी ज़रूर, चल बड़ा ठीक, दो लाइट बंद करना सब। हाँ बोलना बिल्कुल, हाँ जी जी बहुत अच्छा। नन्नी वो सबसे सही काम की इनने, सबसे सही। कमा भाई कमा, कौन नहीं, सबको कमाने का, सब धंधे पे लगे, तुम लोग भी लगे ले, तुम भी, अपन सब लगे लेना। मैं नहीं, मेरी बहन है इसलिए आया हूँ मैं, मगर ये बच्चे लोग को मेरे हाथ से ये दिलाया, बहुत बड़ी बात करी, और वो सपोर्ट करी, मैं भी साथ में सपोर्ट करूँगा। ये 10 दी, मैं 10 लूँगा बच्चा। चल बिल्कुल चल अभी आप।
You're the first one to buy the iPhone 10 and
It's exciting. I can't wait to go home now and open it up. To be honest, I've always been an Apple fan and stood in lines for many years all over this. So to get it first feels very special. Yeah.
Right. And obviously you're excited, your films.
Yes, it's doubly excited. Yes, for that. So
How are you feeling on nerves because today is the first day of the Ittifaq?
yeah, I'm a little nervous. I've never been in this situation before as a director, so it's new for me. So, but hopefully so far it's been positive. So I'm just hoping it continues.
So that means you're celebrating by buying iPhone.
Yes, hopefully, hopefully it can be a celebration. So, yeah.
Could you tell us 10 things that you like about iPhone 10?
10 things. That's a lot of things to say. Yeah.
Okay, what feature you like the most?
One thing, the screen. I think the screen and the size. I think those are two things that I love because I have the Plus, so it's a little smaller size but the same screen. So I'm hoping that
Okay, any response from the Bollywood celebrities came till now because after seeing the morning show and all?
so. We had a trial last night for people. So I said hope people were they liked the film and they were surprised at the ending. So I hope now the audience, fingers crossed, that the audience also feels the same way.
iPhone and Ittifaq, what's unique and what's the difference? What's the similarity and what's the difference?
That's a similarity. But both released on November 3rd. That's a similarity. What's the difference?
Both starts with I.
That's true. That's true. Yeah. Both are new versions of our old products. So I guess that's also one.
Actually, this movie Ittifaq, they have kept Asha ji's song Raat Baki Baat Baki, and I think Mr. Siddharth Malhotra has put it up on his Instagram. So they had come over to take a bite, and Asha ji and your grandfather and your father, they've had, I mean, family like, we are like, खाना क्या बनाया है? You know, like.
So it's an honor. It's an honor that I think it came a full circle, and her song was used in this film. So I know, I'm sure Dad and Bade Papa up there will be happy about it.
What was the response from Asha ji?
Well, she's not seen the film. Yeah.
It was released
It was
today.
released today. So once she sees it, I'm sure she'll call.
She will.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the face, this is the person behind Whistling Wolf.
as the launch of iOS iPhone.
It's awesome, you know. Anuja is such a lovely person, and when she opened the store right here in Bandra, right next to our homes, it just feels like we can come here anytime and be at home. So it's so nice to get our first iPhone. My last one is almost on the brink, so I'm quite excited about rushing home now and setting it up. So yeah.
Right, you must be an iPhone lover. What
I am. I mean, Apple is an integral part of our institute at Whistling Woods, and we are an Apple certified site. So for us, yes, Apple and all Apple products are important and great. So yeah, so I'm happy to have this. Thank you so much.
Very, very, very excited. Finally, I've had the iPhone 6 for very long. And I've just been waiting for something new, something revolutionary, something that looks different to come out. It's been, 3 years now after the iPhone 6. Finally, the iPhone 10 is out. We're waiting for the crowds to subside. I'm not one of those have to get it first time. I can wait for a couple of weeks. When the rush is gone, then we'll unbox our iPhone 10. Yeah.
Yeah, and also it looks so good. I'm sure there must be a lot of planning and a lot of effort that has gone into the launch.
It's been massive planning, massive effort, and as you're seeing over here, has been the shop pioneering all the planning and effort, saying that when this launches, we are going to ensure that our customers get as many phones as possible, and not just giving phones. ISR has also ensured that if anybody you go to buy a phone, proceeds of that sales will go for a good cause, and it goes for Nanni Kali, which is helping the girl child, which is really, really important. So you have to buy a phone. You know you need the iPhone 10. Come and buy it at ISR, because 100% it's going to help somebody when you get that phone. So I think it's a very beautiful thing that's being done over here, and it's helping someone, and you're getting your phone at the same. It's helping someone, and you're getting your phone at the same price. So that's awesome.
Thank you. To sing first, or you want to answer first?
I want to sing first.
Sing.
Okay. Which song?
Whichever you like.
Okay. ओ बीच बाजारी दंगे लग गए, दो तलवारी अखियों के मखना, ओ जान कटे के जिगर कटे, अब इन दो धारी अखियों से मखना, ओ चांद की उतार ली है दोनों बालियाँ, आजा आजा हाथ मार दे तालियाँ, ओ बिल्लोनी 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 हाथ मार दे तालियाँ, ओ बिल्लोनी 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 हाथ मार दे तालियाँ, आज चांदनी कूटेंगे आसमान को लूटेंगे, चल धुआं उड़ा के झूम झूम चल झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम बराबर झूम.
That was awesome. Now
Thank you.
You got awarded today. How did you feel?
Yes, I feel मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया और मुझे ऐसे अवॉर्ड किया. और
iPhones अच्छे लगते हैं?
आईफोन मेरा फेवरेट है.
iPhone 10 के बारे में क्या अच्छा लगता है?
आईफोन 10 का सबसे पहले तो कैमरा क्लैरिटी बहुत अच्छी है और दिखने में वो बहुत क्लासी है, और उसकी स्क्रीन तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. आईफोन मेरा फेवरेट है.
कुछ और कहना चाहोगे?